I'm a child and adolescent psychologist, and I get to work with diagnosing and assessing kids with autism, but also working with kids and families in therapy. I had a super special dog named Peyton, who was a Bernese Mountain Dog, and she was easy to train for the job to be able to go to work with me and work with kids and families. I definitely saw that we could add more dogs to the program. The dogs oftentimes are part of our feedback sessions with the families, where we give them their test results or the autism diagnosis or no autism diagnosis. And then they also participate with the kids in therapy. We work on social skills with the dogs, work on emotions and different feelings and how the dogs might be feeling. A lot of kids like the sensory feel of the dogs, and so they like to pet them. We have sometimes where the dogs get to do some occupational therapy too, where they play fetch or chase the kids and run with the kids and play. And then in speech therapy, a lot of times there's some anxiety. We have some kids that have, it's called selective mutism, where they don't really want to talk around different people. And if they have a dog in the room, they might talk directly to the dog or be more likely to talk to someone. And so we work together, just kind of helping the kids relax and feel calm. And we do have a lot of research that supports that heart rates go down, blood pressures go down just by having animals around. It's so interesting to see the kids' personalities and who they end up picking as their favorite dog and who they talk about the most or want to spend the most time with, because the dogs each have their own really unique personalities. Guinnison is our love bug and loves to give big hugs. Opal is always kind of watching everybody, making sure they're following the rules and doing what they're supposed to do, and like sit and have love and attention. And Foster, he got his name because he is a foster dog. He really connects with the kids who are in the foster care system or adopted, and he's got a couple scars on his face that we don't know where they came from, but kids connect just by looking at him. The animals are so unassuming. They don't come in with an agenda and a plan. They just are very excited to see people. They're not gonna judge. They're very easy to read and understand, and so it's kind of a nice way to connect. What we do is we look for a dog that's pretty calm and can handle noises, can handle getting touched. It doesn't have to be breed specific at this point, because we've got Bernese Mountain Dog, we've got our short-haired collie, and we've got a lab shepherd mix who was a stray. They're all certified therapy dogs. We get recertified every 2 years, and I take that very seriously because I really want to make sure that our dogs are at the standard that they should be. They work really well for everybody, but they're super magical with our kids with autism. There's something about these dogs and what they do that brings our kids out of their shells and helps them connect in ways that as a person I can't do. They love doing their jobs. It's wonderful. It's so rewarding.